recording.
Huh?
I weren't recording. Yep. Fish on. Yep. Yep, got it. Got it. Weren't recording.
Huh?
I weren't recording.
You'll get another one.
Oh, it choked it and all. You might have to help me with this one, Josh. It's proper choked it. First cast, first fish. Cheers, boss. Right guys, welcome back. Oh, on the bankside. New river, new venue. First cast, first fish. So hopefully that's how the day's gonna go. With Mr. Esox over there. His channel links in the description, by the way. Sergeant Esox. But yeah, first cast, first time I've been here, first cast, first fish. Not a big fish, which is fine. But hopefully it's a good sign of how today's going to go. All day to fish, which is a rarity for me. Nice steady retrieve, couple of pauses. Oh aye, definitely. I just can't believe I didn't hit record. Yeah, first fish guys, first cast, I didn't hit record. You'll have seen me playing it, I think I pressed it in time, but you won't have seen me hit the fish. So all I've done to add some weight is jigged. Oh, what I tend to do is when I get snagged up and straighten hooks or bend hook points, is I actually cut the hook point off and I use it as a weight. That's actually a tip that I got from Mr. Esox down there. So yeah, good tip. It works really well as well, so if it works, don't change it. Definitely chose the wrong footwear for today. I didn't bother bringing my boots. It's like a bog pit. Yep. Oh, yep. Yep, big one I think. Oh my god. You alright? Fish on. Feels decent. Drunk.
Why? You look good.
Oh. She's not happy. Come on, girl. Come on, girl.
Nice.
Slight problem. Reel's broken. Come on, girl.
You can back her in if it's broken behind me. Like that.
Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Get in that net. Yes! Oh, it's working now. Typical, isn't it? Typical. I'll turn it handle, not what's happening.
She should get around that. Let me get past it shot for you. Alright, stay in it.
So with the net, £12.6. So we'll deduct net after. Lovely. £12.6 with net, but we'll deduct net and I'll let you know. Cracking fish. We take some pictures. Right guys, so just deducted net and she weighs £10.4, so I'm more than happy with that. 2 fish, first cast, it was just a little baby jack.
My turn now.
Yeah, Mr. Esox's turn now. I'm shaking like a leaf if you can't tell from camera, but keep fishing. Right guys, back in business. Yeah. Fish number 2 on the bank. We've not been here long at all. Definitely happy with that. Nice double. Just long pauses seem to be working today. When I bring this rig in, right, let me tell you what, bring it in and I'll go through my setup quickly. So it's the Fox Rage Zander casting rod. It's 10 to 30 gram, Fox Rage Warrior I should say, Abu Garcia reel, LMAB Drunk Bait. Is it LMAB? I'm sure it's LMAB. Anyway, Drunk Bait. I think it's like what, 14 centimetres, something like that. That's what I just had that fish on. I've cut the hook off and put a bit of a jig head in, 3.5 grams I think, just to get it to sink a bit. Oh, give it time to sink. Like I keep saying, I know I'm saying it a lot, but it's really deep here. And I just want a little bit of weight in it, sink it slowly. Nothing too, that looks a bit funny to them, going down at 100 miles an hour. I'm just fishing slow, with nice long pauses. Now they've not hit on the pause, they've hit when I've been bringing it in, after the pause. Yeah. Johnny, I might need your long net. Fish on. About the same size as the first one. Right guys, fish number 3. He's going in for a swim in, isn't he? Ready? Get it. She's had a rest, so she's good for block. Still good for block. Fish number 3.
Couple of casts on the...
Yep.
Yeah?
Nope, it's come off.
Is that a Pike?
Not a fish. Cast it.
I bet you're going to order some more then.
I probably will do actually, to be fair. Yep, got it. Got it. Can you net it for him, mate, please? Right, it's got entangled.
I know it's hard with that light set up. Please try and bring it a bit.
I'm just going to walk back with it, mate. You have to tell me where I can't see. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Good man.
Doing the business that low.
Yeah.
It is, to be fair, isn't it, mate?
Yeah. Nice. Well done. Nice.
Fish number 4.
Stocky.
Nice little jack.
So bring it forward. That's it.
A quick thank you to everyone that's hit the like button on my videos recently and been watching them and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot, and you have no idea how much it actually helps my channel. But what a session today was. I think I had 7 or 8 takes and 5 fish landed, I want to say. Might have been 4, I can't remember. But double figure, 1 double figure, and I think it was 4 jacks, I can't quite remember. I was fishing with Sergeant Esox, as you know. We fished together quite a lot. I'm diving into his world of lure fishing, which, as you guys know, I don't really do that much. All his stuff is down in the description box, so go ahead over to his channel and watch his perspective from today. He did have a tougher day, which I don't think he'll mind me saying, but he did have fish, which is the main thing. And another big thank you to Johnny for the underwater footage. Fantastic. So Johnny, if you're watching, leave me a comment. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.